What's up guys, this is iamman and we are going to the rain room in Sharjah today. As you guys can see, this is the spot and we are quite excited. So let's see what happens inside. What's up guys, this is iamman and we are in Sharjah at the rain room. This installation is built in such a fashion that when you walk through the rain, the sensors pick up on your movement and where you are, and then it stops raining in that spot, which means you can walk through the rain without getting wet. Check this out. Boom, baby. Do a run through. Do a run through. Oh. Guys, if you go too fast, then the rain doesn't stop. You have to move really slow. So obviously for our kids not being used to the rain, they've been running around like crazy kids. Welcome to desert life. What's up guys, iamman in Sharjah in the rain room, and yeah, the system is not 100% perfect if you go too fast, but this is a must. If you have the opportunity, come and visit this spectacular, absolutely spectacular installation, art exhibition. I actually don't know what the correct term for it is, but it's the rain room in Sharjah, and check this out, absolutely insane. Money well spent and an awesome experience. I'll post a few of the pictures that we took. Just great fun. Guys, just as a heads up, bring a spare set of clothes and a towel if you really want to have fun. Yeah, that's iamman, a little bit wetter than when we started.